Hello, my name is Arlene Anderson, and this is Edna Madsen. We are the co-project managers of the second floor restoration project of the Ramsay Building. This project was funded by 2 grants from the Department of Commerce, the 2018 Local and Community Projects Program and the 2020 Local and Community Projects Programs. We also had great assistance from Matt Manueller, our 13th District Representative, and Alex Ibarra, our 13th District Representative. The John Clymer Museum and the Ramsay Building are as important as ever. They bridge history and art with community while preserving a symbol of the city. The Ramsay Building was purchased by the Clymer Foundation in 1990. The first floor was renovated and the John Clymer Museum and Gallery opened in August of 1991. As we go upstairs to the Ramsay Center, the entrance has several details we would like to point out. The chandelier in the lower area was given in memory of Joy McGiffin, a local journalist. Also, as you go upstairs, please note the brass corner pieces on each stair tread. The upper chandelier was given to honor the founding board of directors for their vision. We are standing in the beautiful central hallway with the skylight. The entire upstairs had been heated with coal burning stoves. Each of the front offices had a stove and the heat was transferred through the transoms above the doors. The ballroom, which you will see later, had more than one stove. Heating with coal left a residue of dust that could not be washed away. It had to either be removed or sealed in. All the walls were lath and plaster, which was deteriorating in many cases. According to the records which we have, the second floor was never used after 1967. As you can see from the photos at first glance, this seemed impossible. We said, wow, what are we going to do with this? So between the coal dust and the deteriorating lath and plaster, all the walls and ceilings had to either be replaced or sealed. The original electrical wiring and plumbing was so outdated that codes would not allow it to be used again, and so all of it is replaced. Today, each space has its own environmentally efficient heat, as well as high-speed Wi-Fi access. The structure and design of this beautiful 1901 building has enabled it to go from unused vintage space to a welcoming, lively venue for the arts. Another highlight of this hallway is the beautiful fir floors, which we have restored. There is one room which we have kept in its original state, and we call it the Goose Room. In this beautiful room, which is surrounded by Art Deco wallpaper, and it was originally Dr. Weaver's waiting room, and he was a dentist in this office space. We call it the Goose Room because in the wallpaper was wonderful geese, and it was just appropriate. We fell in love with it when it was in total disarray, and we decided that we absolutely had to keep it in this state. And this will be a wonderful room to use in conjunction with the conference room and be able to come in here and enjoy some lovely refreshments. Well, you've seen the Goose Room, but it's time for you to see some of the other rooms, so follow me. I want to show you one of our lovely office suites. In this office suite, we have a treasure. This came from World War I, and it says, Britain must win, and then it says, help bundles for Britain. We kept this as part of the historical aspects of this building. In anticipation of our events in the central hallway, we do have a small catering kitchen, and we are looking forward to this being put into use and having delightful events occurring right here. This is our cloakroom, and you can see I have a hanger in my hand, and we're just waiting for our first event in here. We have plenty of space to hang your coats. We are very pleased to be able to offer to the community a small conference room. This is an excellent room for small group meetings or your board meetings. I'm here at Austin Smith Studios, and it's my pleasure to introduce Austin Smith to you.
I'm grateful for this whole restoration project. My studio is located at the number 1 and number 2 spaces upstairs at the Ramsay, right here in downtown Ellensburg. I couldn't be happier to be here and work out of this space and bring art to the community, and also help stimulate the gallery space that we have up here at the Ramsay Gallery. Thank you, Arlene and Edna, for your hard work and making this dream happen for the Ramsay Gallery. As you can see upstairs in the Ramsay Building, it's absolutely beautiful. The light up here is wonderful. We've added lighting to accommodate artwork. So we plan to bring First Friday alive upstairs and add to the vibrant community art scene. So we look forward to seeing you up here on First Friday events. We'll have this space is going to be open for artists locally and also regionally. We also are excited to bring the event space alive with arts and culture as well. If you'd like to see my work here at the Ramsay Gallery, please contact me at artist@austinjsmith.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Finally, let us take a quick look at the ballroom. We like to call this the ballroom, but many years ago, this room was used for wagon repairs. On the wall to my right, there is a pulley, and wagons would be lifted up for repair. There's so much history in this room, and we hope to have it filled with the sounds of people from the community enjoying themselves at community events. Right now, this is a work in progress. We have 2 display cases being repaired. We have one of the original coal bins being repaired, and the original chandeliers that are being repaired. So do come back when we have this all completed so that you can get another look at the ballroom. Lastly, we would like to thank again the Department of Commerce for their grants, the Kashmir Valley Bank, and all the contractors that worked with us to make this possible.